Hello students, how are you? Today I'll discuss the revised syllabus issued by CBSE for class 12 subject mathematics for session 2020 and 21. This is really very important. First I'll explain about the marking scheme, which unit for how many marks. Then I'll discuss about which particular topic you have to do for this year. And the last I'll discuss about the topic they have deleted from the particular chapter or the unit. So first I'll explain about the revised mathematics code 041 class 12th and session, very special session 2020-21 here. Total weightage is of 80 marks here, 20 marks for internal assessment that will definitely discussed by class teacher or the subject teacher from the school beta. So they will discuss, the school teachers will definitely share about the 20 marks, and this is declared by the CBSE. Unit we have relation and function of 8 marks, algebra for 10 marks, calculus for 35 marks, vector and 3D geometry for 14 marks, linear programming for 5 marks, probability for 8 marks, and total 80 internal assessment based on your school or school policies, right? So now what do we have? Detail structure I'll share. First unit is the relation and function. Chapter पे आते हैं relation function में types of relations, reflexes, symmetric, transitive, equivalence relation, one to one and onto function. These are the topics we'll study in the relation function. Inverse trigonometric function, definition, range, domain, principal value, range. These are the topics we'll study under inverse trigonometric function. Now we'll discuss the unit 2 algebra. We have first chapter matrices, concept, notion, order, quality, types of matrices, zero and identity matrices, transforms to a matrix, symmetric and square-symmetric matrix, operations on matrices, now addition and multiplication with a scalar, simple properties of addition, multiplication and scalar multiplication, non-commutative and multiplications of matrices, then invariant matrices. Here all the matrices will have the real entries, right? These topics we'll study in the matrices. Now determinants. In determinants we'll study determinants of a square metric up to 3 into 3, minor, cofactors, applications of determinants in finding the area of triangle, its joining and inverse of the square matrix, solving system of linear equation in 2 or 3 variables having unique solution, the using inverse of a matrix. Unit 3 calculus, continuity and differentiability is the first chapter of the calculus. इसमें क्या करने वाले हैं? Continuity and differentiability, derivatives of composite factors, chain rule, derivatives in the inverse trigonometric functions, derivatives of implicit functions, concept of exponential logarithmic function, then derivatives of logarithmic and exponential function, logarithmic differentiation, derivation of the function expression of parametric forms, second order derivatives. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स। देखिए इसमें क्या टॉपिक आप कवर करेंगे? इसमें करेंगे आप एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स, इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शंस, टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल्स, मैक्सिमा मिनिमा, फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट मोटिवेटेड ज्योमेट्रिकली एंड सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट गिवन एज अ प्रोबेबल टूल. Simple problems illustrate the basic principle and understanding of the subject as well as the real life situation to the student. Next we'll study integrals. Integration as inverse process of the differentiation, integration of a variety of function by substitution, by partial function and by parts, evolution of the simple integration by the following type and the problem based on them, right? Now the fundamental theorem of calculus without any proof, the basic properties of definite integral and evolution of definite integrals. अब वापस से फोर्थ चैप्टर करेंगे एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ इंटीग्रल्स। तो उसमें क्या है आपका फोर्थ चैप्टर में? एप्लीकेशंस इन फाइंडिंग द एरिया अंडर सिंपल कर्व्स, स्पेशली लाइंस, parabolas, area of circles, ellipses, if standard form only, and the region should be clearly identifiable. Next chapter आपका same unit differential equation, that's definition, order, degree, general and the particular solution of differential equation, the solution of the differential equation by method of separation of variables, solution of homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree by the type of dy by dx, by the solution of the linear differential equation of the type where p and q the function of the x or the constant. So we'll study about these topics in the differential equation. Next unit is the vectors and the 3D geometry. First we'll study the vector and scalars, the magnitude and the direction of vector. Direction, the constant is the directions ratio of a vector, types of vector, equal, unit, zero, parallel, collinear vectors, position vector of a point, negative of a vector, component of vector, addition of vector, multiplication of a vector by scalar position vector of a point dividing a line segment in a given ratio, definition, geometrical interactions for properties and applications of the scalar dot product of vector and the vector cross product of a vectors. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे 3D geometry. इसमें क्या पढ़ना है? This direction coincides with the direction ratios of a line joining 2 points, Cartesian equation of vector equation of a line, coplanar, squiline, shortest distance between two lines, Cartesian vector equation of a plane and distance of a point from a plane. Last unit, the linear programming. Linear programming में आप करेंगे introduction, relation, terminology such as the constraints, objective functions, optimization, different type of the linear programming, problems, graphical method of solution for problems in two variable, feasible and infeasible reason, bounded, the feasible and infeasible solutions, optimal feasible solutions up to 3 non-trivial constraints. And here we have the probability, last unit, that is conditional probability, multiplication theorem, on probability, independent even, total probability, Bayes theorem, random variable, its probability distribution. तो this was all about कि किस यूनिट में किस चैप्टर में क्या करना है. अब उससे भी इंटरेस्टिंग आता है कि किस चैप्टर में क्या नहीं करना है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इसको अच्छे से ध्यान से समझ लीजिएगा बेटा. रिलेशन फंक्शन चैप्टर 1, कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन एंड इनवर्स ऑफ फंक्शन नहीं करने की जरूरत, एकदम हटा दीजिए उसको. इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन में आपका दिस द ग्राफ्स ऑफ द इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, एलिमेंट्री प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस बिल्कुल छोड़ दीजिए, नहीं करना है. मैट्रिसेस में से आपका एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स हुज प्रोडक्ट इज जीरो मैट्रिक्स बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट्री रो एंड कॉलम ऑपरेशंस बिल्कुल नहीं करने हैं. एंड द प्रूफ ऑफ द यूनिकनेस ऑफ इनवर्स, if it is exist, leave it, will not do this here this. तो these are the topics. ये रिलेशन फंक्शन का, ये आपका इनवर्स ट्रिगो का, ये मैट्रिसेस का नहीं करना है. DB ये syllabus reduced by these topics by CBSE. Determinants, properties of determinants नहीं करना है बेटा. Consistency, inconsistency, number of solutions of the system of the linear equation by examples छोड़ दीजिए. For this year will not touch. कॉन्टिन्यूटी एंड डिफरेंशियबिलिटी में से आपका ओलेसन-थेलेस मेन वैल्यू थ्योरम विदाउट प्रूफ एंड ज्योमेट्रिक इंटरसेप्शन ये नहीं करना है, कट कर लीजिए इसको अपनी बुक में भी आप. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स में रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ बॉडीज, यूज ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स इन अप्रोक्सीमेशन, ये बिल्कुल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. और ये दोनों टॉपिक्स आपको इंटीग्रल में से पूरी तरह से हटा दिए, आपको बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नहीं करने हैं बेटा. अब एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रल्स में एरिया बिटवीन एनी ऑफ द टू अबव सेट कर्व्स नहीं करना है. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन से आपको द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हुज जनरल सॉल्यूशन इज गिवन एंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द लीनियर इक्वेशन इन द टाइप right? Where p and q the function of y as constant, बिल्कुल छोड़ दीजिए, नहीं पढ़ना है हमें. And vectors में से स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर नहीं करना है. 3 डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री से हमें एंगल बिटवीन 2 लाइंस, 2 प्लेन्स, लाइंस एंड प्लेन्स बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. तो सबसे पहले मैंने आपको बताया है मार्क के बारे में, फिर चैप्टर्स. अब ये आपका आ जाता है लीनियर प्रोग्राम. इसमें क्या नहीं करना है, मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एपी प्रॉब्लम्स अनबाउंडेड बिल्कुल छोड़ दीजिए. और प्रोबेबिलिटी में मीन एंड द वेरिएंस ऑफ रैंडम वेरिएबल एंड बायनॉमियल प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ये बिल्कुल हटा दीजिए. Weightage, new weightage, very important for you this year. Then I've explained one by one which particular topic we're going to do under the chapters I've explained you. Now, the syllabus reduced by CBSE per chapter that I've explained you. From my side, I've explained everything to you. Now it's your turn to focus on it and focus on your studies. Definitely, I'll be there next video with some important information. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.